Into my mind, my heart now fast, floating into my eyes, my brain, my home, into my world, my home, my world. Amazing, into my life, my soul, my eyes. Sang arranged composed by Antonio Macalino Pareño. Regards to all Pareño and Macalino around the whole Disney, all the guests, especially to my family and Nato Pareño Pareño. Jose Macalino Pareño, Marino si Macalino Pareño, Ariel Victoria Macalino Pareño, Mario Antonio Macalino Pareño, Mili Ang Pareño, Simon Pareño, Sinayli Pareño, Shane Marie Pareño, Sean Robin Pareño, San Gabriel de Mas, Salim na ito, parang kita si Papi na rin, ang rest of the sa buhay. Samantha is another of my nephew. Another of my niece. Here in Carigara, Leyte, Barangay Cobro, Manila, Philippines. Sabi nila na place. More like Samantha is daughter of my cousin Annie who Makalinaw, Quintana. Annie Makalinaw, Quintana. Kuya Annie and I play a lot of basketball. He's a nice person as well as Julito Quintana is very nice too. He is very fun. And Kuya Annie is more like 5'2", but he's honorable Bandit Captain. Julito Quintana is very large. They're both nice guys, very lawful type of persons. So Samantha is the daughter of Annie Makalinaw, Quintana. Samantha, she's a good like. She's very she looks like a teen because she's very tall for his age. She's only 10 years old, but very tall. No, she's taller than a teenager of my son. My son Parena is a place. Song tayo Samantha Parena. Parena is a place in Carigara, Leyte. That's my island when we went to Carigara. Carigara is more like a city there. More like market, like a schools, university, huge Catholic church, nice huge Catholic church, very beautiful, huge Catholic church. A sign that there's a lot of good people, and in the Pantalan, oh my God, in the night it's more, you feel like the film is the best in the world. In my time, I think it's one of the best. And Parena, it's a barangay too, like Barangay Cobo. It's more like almost same spelling of our surname, Parena. Then we sound like our surname, almost sound like Parena. It's more like a woman, Parena. Woman, Parena. It's a barangay too. I sing the bridge of Parena. So that's my interest me. So my father was between is Ilonggo, but maybe some of our relatives Parena needed in Carigara. Maybe it's a viral related from back to Bangladesh because it's very it's the church. It's just me, mom and dad love one another a lot. That's why they go there. That's not a Makalina. That's all my sangkay and relatives there. And Tagara dito Barangay Cobo na Joel Makalinaw, Maylin Makalinaw, Cyril Makalinaw, Del Batuin Makalinaw, Felix Makalinaw, Isabel Islam, Margaret Tubala, Darwin Tubala, Marquis Tubala, Isabel Joshua Las Danny Makalinaw, Dahil Makalinaw, Dahil Makalinaw, tapos Al Makalinaw, Al Makalinaw, Anisa Makalinaw, Yun Makalinaw, Makalinaw Makalinaw, Arlene Marido, Stephanie Marido, their brother and parents, plus Rona and plus Teo Padilla and family, Alvin and family. Karin Makalinaw, Quintana, Dahil Manirisa Makalinaw, Quintana, Ani Makalinaw, Quintana, Barangay, Tatay Colito Makalinaw, Quintana, Kuya Ricky Makalinaw, Quintana, and his family, especially Cristo, Pierigis Apo, Jesse Boyngyo, Jonathan, Karen and Efe, basta kayo lahat dyan. Samantha and Ashley and her little sister. Sa dito ng family. Regards to all my in short, regards to all my sangkay and relatives. Sangkay is more friends in English. In Tagalog it is kaibigan. Sangkay. Tagalog sangkay there for a short period of time for 2 weeks. Because of them I enjoy my vacation twice or twice. Sangkay and relatives. This has been Marion Tan Makalinaw pa rin. Sinabagay sa buhay, kaya musta sa lahat ng mga Masirong dito, Masirong. upay, maupay sa imong lahat.